Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, gather your essential tools like a socket set, various wrenches, and a battery terminal cleaner. You'll also need a new alternator and possibly a new serpentine belt. Remember, safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any work. A torque wrench will be essential for correctly tightening bolts later, ensuring everything is secure. Once your tools are ready, begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable, typically with an 8mm wrench. Next, you'll need to relieve the tension on the serpentine belt. This usually involves inserting a 3/8" ratchet into the tensioner and rotating it to loosen the belt. Carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the old alternator. Now, carefully position your new alternator into place and secure its mounting bolts. Torque these bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, often around 35 foot-pounds. Reconnect the main power cable and all other electrical connectors, ensuring they are snug. Next, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the pulleys. Use your tensioner tool to apply the correct tension to the belt, then double-check its alignment. With the new alternator installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should read between 13.5 and 15 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises or vibrations. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. If the voltage is correct and there are no strange sounds, you've successfully replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.